So now I'm going to do step number 3. The step number 3 is forward offset tracking. So drive forward and steer to the left through to open opposite lane. So this is open opposite lane. Keep right rear trailer tires between the line and the cones without the stop. So now I'm going to show you rear trailer tires. The right rear trailer tires. So the right rear trailer tires has to be between the line and the cones. So now I'm going to show you the line and the cones. This is a line and the cones. So your right rear trailer tires has to pass between the line and the cones and go all the way up and finish by end of the cones. When you have finished, put the vehicle neutral, brake set, and sound your horn. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I'm going to start the vehicle. I'm going to release the parking brake, put the vehicle drive forward. I will drive forward and I will steer to the left through the opening opposite lane, checking the mirrors left side to make sure I am not over the left cones. So I am good on the left side. So now I'm going to check mirrors on the right side, small mirrors, to make sure my right rear trailer tires pass in between the line and the cones without the stop. So I passed, was good. So now I'm straight up to the truck and I will finish up by the boundary lines. So vehicle neutral, brake set, sound the horn. So now I'm stepping outside to continue with next step. So now I finished the third exercise. So it was a successful test. So now I'm going to show you next exercise. Thank you for watching.